Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe.
So you might be thinking, why am I watching this, listening to the music? So without any further ado, I'm the Tech Tuber. These are my Bluetooth headphones and we are going to see. So I wanted to test the comfort. In order to do that, I just called up my brother Ojas, and now I can feel that they are extra comfortable. These rubber rings, foam rings inside are also extra comfortable, and this doesn't have any issue. This exact part is pretty much sturdy. These are a little bit moving, but more about that in a bit. Right now, comfort. So we'll try to wear them and then tell me if they are comfortable or not. Comfortable?
Yes.
Great job. Sound quality is completely nice. Sometimes they miss a little bit of bass, but to your average consumer, they are simply brilliant. No issue about that. Now we come to point number 3, which is price. Thinking of price, they are not as expensive, but they are not cheap either. Rupees 1500 was the price when I bought them, and it is still around 1200 to 1800. So not as expensive, but if you ask me if they are value worth money, probably yes, if they meet your need. If your needs are ANC, means active lines cancellation, then they don't meet your needs, then they are not worth it, because you can buy Xiaomi earbuds at around the same cost with which they have active noise cancellation, just like small box like the Apple AirPods and everything like that, just in the form factor of earbuds instead of earphones. Another important factor which many of these have, but I just thought I should mention that, is that they can just size can be adjustable on the both sides, but as you can see I have sellotape here, and more about that in the minus points. So now what I'm going to add is something which all of these don't have, is many device support, which means I can connect to my mobile phone, this one, and at the same time to my laptop, which is just behind there. So at the same time, and for example when I'm listening to songs, and if a phone, keep it on small size, yeah, and if a phone call comes on, then they automatically switch to the phone call when I just answer the phone call. If I don't, they continuing the song. And well, as I came to phone calls, they also have a built-in mic which sounds better than I really expected, but not excellent, but they can work for your normal phone calls. Other than that, they are lightweight, and one major plus point which is cool is they have a headphone jack. So when you pair them with your computer or your mobile phone, you can just turn them off and use them, and it doesn't require any power consumption from these. So that's one thing you might need, because sometimes you are in a long flight duration or traveling for long distance in a bus, train, etc. So sometimes you might need that. Well, as I mentioned, size, this is a extra large size, but this is an extra small size, so it can actually easily fit into a large head. That's what I just wanted to tell you. Then, well, these are sturdy. On this side, when you get like this, these are shaking, but again more about that in the around the end of the video. These don't look bad even after they are fragile and fractured. These look good, and well, I really like the look. They have nice buttons on them, clicky ones. This is I don't know what it's really used to switch the songs. This is the volume up down button, play, pause, so you have those buttons. And you also can use the Google Assistant, which means you can just tap down the home button, which can activate your voice assistant. It may be Siri, it may be Cortana, it may be Google Assistant, any assistant which is in a mobile or your computer, etc. Then, well, I've been using this for the last 3 years, no issues. So you can do with careful use. Okay, so now we have gone through majority of the plus points of these. There may be still some, but they will come when I tear these down, because I currently don't want to tear this down because of coronavirus crisis in India. I really can't shuffle headphones. So until then, we just have to stop. To the negative points. Well, as I mentioned in the beginning, these have a slider and it clicks very nicely, which I thought I mentioned but I didn't. So it clicks very nicely, but as you can see, it's extra slim. So if you extend it like this, it's gonna break, and that is what has happened over here. So it's fractured, and that doesn't matter to the audio quality and other things of this thing, but that doesn't matter to the slider, which really hurts because now it feels like somewhat more pressure on this side, less pressure on this side. As you can see, they are not equally arranged. This one is little bit downwards, this is a little bit upwards. At the current position you can adjust them, but this goes down, this goes up. No, it's little bit confusing. So that's another thing. And these are not, this upper part is extremely sturdy, but this part is not at all sturdy, so they keep dancing and jiggling all the time. I don't know because of this has broken or so, but then this also does dance, so that's a thing worth noting. So when you are traveling with these, maybe they can just bounce a lot of. Then a thing I mentioned in the past, no active noise cancellation. So if you don't want any external sounds, you have to turn up the volume, but you don't have any active noise cancellation, which is only one thing which I really missed in these. Otherwise, maybe I would have just bought these second time. But anyways, I'm into experiments, so I'm gonna change these. Okay, one final factor which isn't important to majority of the people, but some people do really care about the look. And after using, this coating is gone off, this coating has also peeled off, and well, you can't at all see this coating. So it was completely black colored. So that's one really important thing who really care about the looks. I usually use my headphones in my house. When I'm going outside, I have my earphones, so that's not a big issue to me. So that's pretty much it. If anybody has these earphones, please let me know what you think about them, and you can hang out with me on Twitter and Facebook. The TechTuber, on both accounts the username is the same. Link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed. I'm the TechTuber and I'm signing out.